Open the glove box. Pull the shelf so the tabs pop out of their catch. Remove the access panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the access panel. Clip the shelf back into the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.